July 4th is one of the most popular holidays in the United States. Independence Day is celebrated on July 4, 1776, when the Declaration of Independence was approved by the Continental Congress. It's a fun holiday and one of the highlights of the summer, but have you ever wondered about some of the facts? Here are 20 fun and interesting facts about July 4th. 1. The Declaration of Independence was signed on July 4, 1776. 2. The 13 colonies were still at war with Great Britain, so when the declaration was approved, there were still fighting troops in the colonies. There were many politicians, military leaders and church leaders who were not able to sign the document until they were allowed to go home and celebrate the holiday with their families. 3. The Continental Congress sent the Declaration of Independence to a printer in Philadelphia, Pennsylvania, but the printer did not have enough paper, so he had to go out and buy more. The printer's name was John Dunlap, and his son would go on to invent the Monopoly board game. 4. July 4th is also known as the nation's birthday, but some say that's because of the fireworks. 5. Many patriotic songs were written to celebrate the nation's birthday. The most famous is My Country 'Tis of Thee. 6. In the 19th century, the 4th of July celebration was used as a time for political rallies. 7. President George Washington refused to sign the Declaration of Independence because he did not agree with the separation of church and state. 8. The date July 4, 1776, is actually a combination of 3 different dates. The signers actually signed on the 4th of July, July 2nd, and July 3rd. 9. In 1846, the 4th of July became a federal holiday. 10. The 4th of July is one of the most popular holidays in the United States. Many people make plans for July 4th and the day before. 11. On July 4, 1776, a group of delegates signed the Declaration of Independence in Philadelphia, Pennsylvania. That group included representatives from the 13 colonies: Maryland, Massachusetts, New Jersey, Pennsylvania, New York, New Hampshire, Rhode Island, Connecticut, Virginia, North Carolina, South Carolina, Georgia, Florida, and Louisiana. 12. The Continental Congress originally voted to have the Declaration of Independence printed on parchment, but because of a lack of parchment, they ended up using paper instead. 13. The Declaration of Independence had 91 signers, but not all were able to sign the document. 14. Benjamin Franklin was the main editor of the Declaration of Independence. He had a large hand in the final draft of the document. 15. Thomas Jefferson and John Adams, 2 of the signers, were bitter enemies. Both had very different political ideologies, and their differences often led to conflicts. 16. The Declaration of Independence was written in 1776, but was not officially approved by Congress until November 26, 1776. 17. The modern firework display actually started as early as the late 1800s. It was at this time that farmers in the Midwest began lighting fires to get rid of grass in their fields. 18. The first 4th of July parade took place in Philadelphia, Pennsylvania, on July 4, 1752. 19. The first Independence Day celebration in the White House took place on July 4, 1805. The event was sponsored by the Continental Congress. 20. In 1952, President Harry Truman started the tradition of inviting America's top athletes and celebrities to the White House to celebrate the 4th of July. What did you find interesting in this list? Share it with your friends and tell us in the comments. Thank you for watching.